Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your software updates early on your Tesla vehicle. So just going down to the car symbol right here, open up your menu, scroll on down, and we are looking for software. Just tap this, scroll on down under here, and you can see there's an option for software update preference. We can go to advanced, just tap advanced right here. And then you can go to the little I. If you do have a software update, should it come available here, and we can just update it. But it says this vehicle will receive regular updates, and if you select the advanced option, your Tesla will receive new updates as soon as they become available for its configuration. So you'll get the latest software version a little bit earlier if you tap this feature and go to advanced. So just make sure that it's turned on. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.